Happy Wednesday, Year 3, and welcome to the second maths meeting for this week. It's Miss Everingham here. Please pause the video while you grab a piece of paper and a pencil. That's all you're going to need for today's lesson. Press play when you're ready to continue. Fantastic, let's get started. What is the time on this analog clock if the big blue hand tells us how many minutes past or to the hour and the small red hand tells us the hour? Press pause while you work out your answer and write it down on the piece of paper in front of you, and press play when you're ready to check. Fantastic. Well done. Okay, let's check if you got the same answer as me. The big blue hand is halfway around the circle that goes back to the 12. So it's halfway between the 12 and then the 12 again. So it's half past. But half past what hour? The red hand is halfway between the 5 and the 6. It's just gone past the 5. So it is 5:30. Give yourself a tick or press pause while you fix up your answer. Fantastic. Benny has some money in his bank account. He's then given 50p, which is added to the bank account. How much in Benny's bank now? Press pause while you work out how much is in Benny's bank, add the 50p to it, and then work out how much is in the bank now. Press play when you're ready to check your answer. Fantastic. Let's work out how much Benny has to start off with. He has £2 plus £1, £3 and 10 pence. £3 and 10 pence. He is given 50p. Now Benny has £3 and 60 pence. He has £3 and 60 pence. Give yourself a tick or press pause while you check over your answer. Okay, 20 divided by 5. This divide sign means shared equally into groups. How many will be in each group if 20 is shared into 5 groups? Use your times tables to help you work out the answer. Press pause while you work out the answer and press play when you're ready to check. 20 circles divided into 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. There will be 1, 2, 3, 4 in each group. I know that 5 times 4 equals 20. So 20 divided into 5 equal groups equals 4. Give yourself a tick or press pause while you fix up your answer. Can you help Patty work out the missing numbers in the red square? Use the numbers outside the square to work out the pattern so you can fill in the missing squares within the red box. Press pause while you work out your answer and then press play when you're ready to check. How did you go? Did you get the same answer as me? I had a look outside the box. 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. There's only one jump between each of those squares, those numbers. So I know that 2 to 3 is one jump, 3 to 4 is one jump. Same 12, 13, 14, 22, 23, 24. There's just one step between each of those numbers. Press pause if you need to fix up your answer or give yourself a tick. Fantastic work. 10 more than 200 is something. 10 less than 350 is something. Tell me now, what column is going to change when we are adding and taking away amounts of 10? In the 200, which column? The hundreds, the tens, or the ones column? That's right. When we're adding or taking away 10, the tens column is going to change. More means bigger, less means smaller. Press pause while you work out the answer to these two questions and press play when you're ready to check. Did you get the same thing as me? Why did I get this answer? Because 10 more than 200, we have to add 1 to the tens column. So that 200 plus 10 is 210. Again, when we're taking away 10 less, the tens column is going to change. We have to take 1 away from the tens column when we find 10 less. So the answer is 340. Pause the video if you need to check over your answer or give yourself 2 ticks. Fantastic work. Put these numbers in, ascending order. Ascending means smallest to biggest. Press pause while you put these 3 numbers into ascending order, smallest to biggest. Do that on the piece of paper in front of you and then press play when you're ready to check your answer. This is ascending order. 31 is the smallest, then 42, and then 67. Smallest to biggest. Press pause to fix up your answer or give yourself a tick. Fantastic work. Okay, put these numbers in descending order. That means biggest number is first to smallest. Biggest to smallest. Put those numbers on the piece of paper in front of you in descending order. Press pause now and press play when you're ready to check your answer. How did you go? Did you put 67 first because it's the biggest number, followed by 42, followed by 31? Descending order, my turn. Descending order means biggest to smallest, your turn. Wonderful loud voices. Some of you I could hear speaking really loudly. Well done. Shea has a whole range of shapes. Have a look, say these with me. Circle, rectangle, triangle, oval, octagon, square, heptagon, rhombus, pentagon, hexagon, kite. Fantastic. On the next slide, I'm going to get you to work out which shape I should say, I am trying to describe to you. Let's see how you go. What am I? I am a 3-sided shape. I have 3 sides. I have 3 points. What shape am I? Write it down on the piece of paper in front of you. Are you ready for the answer? I am a triangle. These long lines are called sides. Triangles have 1, 2, 3 sides, and the points are the sharp things on the end. 3 sides and 3 points. I'm a triangle. Okay, are you ready for the next one? What am I? I'm a four-sided shape. All of my edges are equal. They're the same length. What shape am I? I have made this difficult for you. I haven't put all the shapes in front of you. See if you can use your memory to remember. If you need to, though, you can pause the video and go back to the previous slide to work out the answer. What shape am I? I am a square. Four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the length of each side is equal. Each side is the same length. Well done. I've tried to trick you, but some of you are just too clever. We are this is the end of we've just run out of time again. So thank you for your hard work, but we're going to be doing more What Am I's on Friday. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.